We didn't just add trucks to our menu. We brought expertise with us.
DPF and complete combustion cleaning system now for almost every diesel truck on the road, including DPF filter, DOC, SCR, turbo, EGR, and sensors. We offer a 30-day guarantee from the date of service. And the best part, we come to you, you don't have to come to us. And our services are 24/7, whenever and wherever you need us. To book your service, call these numbers now.